In this video, I will teach you how to watch videos and earn money online. All you need to get started is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection. Once you sign up with any of the legitimate websites or apps I'm going to show you in this video, you can start watching videos and earn money. The payment amount varies depending on the website or app, the length of the video, and the type of content. Why this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it can be a good way to earn extra money in your free time. You can use the extra cash to pay bills, save for a vacation, or invest in your hobbies. Watching video is a popular pastime with predictions suggesting that the average person will spend 100 minutes a day watching videos online. The idea behind getting paid to watch videos is simple. Companies and businesses want to increase their reach and promote their products and services, and one way to achieve this is by advertising through videos. In turn, they offer payment to viewers who watch these videos. This video is perfect for beginners who want to earn an extra cash online. Number 1. Inbox Dollar. Since the company was founded in 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid its members more than $59 million in cash. With an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and plenty of great reviews on Trustpilot, Inbox Dollar is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars has a variety of videos in different categories available for you to watch on its video channel. You will be able to see how much you can earn before watching, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Inbox Dollars makes money from big companies that want to see their content and share a portion of their earnings with you. As you watch more videos, you will also have the opportunity to earn virtual scratch-off cards with hidden cash prizes. Once you earn up to $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal, select gift cards, or request a check. Number 2. My Points. My Point is a reward site that has been around since 1996. The company has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. With My Points, you can use your account to earn rewards when you shop, take online surveys, and play games for points, and of course, watch videos. To earn points watching videos with My Points, you will need to complete a playlist of videos. You can earn on site with your computer or rack up extra points when you use the My Points mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day by watching video playlists. The value of each point depends on the redemption you choose. One of the unique things about My Points is that it partners with United Airlines, so you can use your points to add miles to your United Mileage Plus account. But if you are not planning on traveling in the near future, you can also choose gift cards from 70 retailers and entrepreneurs, or redeem your points for a PayPal deposit or Visa prepaid card. Number 3. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. The videos include commercials and clips such as trailers for film and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, which will be paid into your PayPal account. As I read through all the reviews before making payments, you might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. Number 4. Nielsen. For more than 90 years, Nielsen has been tracking what samples of the population are listening to and watching in order to provide businesses with insights on how their content is performing. Nielsen is an S&P 500 companies with market research operations in more than 100 countries. One of the ways Nielsen rate content is through collecting data on the behavior of Nielsen family, which are households that are selected to represent greater communities. You can volunteer to be a Nielsen family, but if you are selected, you will receive gifts from participating. You can also sign up to be part of the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. To participate, you will download the software onto your devices. From there, you just use the internet and watch content as you normally would. There is no need to watch specific videos. You will help companies improve their products, and you will also have the opportunity to earn rewards and sweepstake entries. Nielsen gives away $10,000 each month. Number 5. Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a site that lets you earn money by watching videos, something that requires so little work, plus it is almost free money. You can request the money you've earned as PayPal money or as gift cards. When withdrawing the money via PayPal, there is a minimum payout of $5. If you're redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payout lower than it is when using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth $2. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money or gift cards will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours, as well as as watching videos, you can also answer paid online surveys and refer friends to Price Rebel to boost your earnings. And on Price Rebel's social media pages, they often share opportunities to get bonus points. Number 6, Creations Rewards. With Creations Rewards, you can visit the video area of the website where you will see a list of videos you can watch to earn points. You will need to watch the video in its entirety to earn the points, but you won't know the points value until you finish watching it. You can repeat this as often as you want, as there's no limit to how many points you can earn in a day. Other ways to earn points include redeeming the daily bonus, taking surveys, and trying products and services. You can also refer friends and family and earn 10% of their earning. There's even a shopping portal where you can earn cashback and rebates when you shop online at stores like Walmart, Dunkin' Donuts, Shutterfly, and online learning platforms like Udemy. You can redeem your points for e-gift cards, 100 points every 6 months for your account to remain active. Number 7, SuccessBox. Owned by the same company as My Points and Inbox Dollars, SuccessBox is a popular reward program that was founded in 2004. The company has an A rating with the BBB and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. SuccessBox lets you earn points for shopping at partner retailers, searching the web, answering surveys, and watching videos. It has paid its users more than $434 million and it gives out 7,000 gift cards per day. Users can choose to cash out via PayPal or redeem their points for gift cards. 100 SuccessBox equals $1. SuccessBox notes that some committed users have earned over $10,000 on the site, but casual users tend to earn $25 to $100 in extra cash each month. Although it won't make you rich, SuccessBox is a legitimate way to earn you free money from many of the activities you would do anyway. Number 8, Netflix. If you're looking for a full-time opportunity, have skills in categorization, and a love for film and television, keep an eye on job openings at Netflix. Netflix hires a small number of editorial analysts to essentially tag their content so it appears in the right categories and get pulled into the right roles on your home screen. That means watching hours of movies and TV could actually be your job. For example, the company recently had an opportunity available for someone who speaks Spanish and has a passion for Latin American content. The first responsibility: watch, research, rate, tag, annotate, and write analysis report for movie and TV content. Sounds like a dream for someone who loves to binge watch new series. Number 9, CashKick. Like other try and true apps on this list, CashKick partners with companies that are eager to get feedbacks from consumers like you. While CashKick does not have a dedicated page with the Better Business Bureau, it's a legitimate website that allows you to earn rewards in several different ways. CashKick users can be rewarded for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have up to $10 in their CashKick account. With CashKick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes a task on CashKick, you will get 25% commission on their total earning. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work towards the $10 payout threshold. Number 10, Enably. Enably is another website that lets you earn money by watching videos. Through its partner site, Hideout.tv, you must watch both videos and a number of ads in order to earn credits you can redeem for cash or e-gift cards. It claims that the ads can be easily spotted as they look just like regular TV commercials. In order to cash out your rewards, you need to make sure your Hideout.tv and Enably accounts are linked, which should happen automatically once you have registered for both websites. However, you will need to manually transfer your points from Hideout.tv to Enably. You can earn extra points by referring your friends and family to the website using your unique referral link. If they sign up, you will get 10% of everything they earn by completing offers. Your extra earnings never expires, and you can make even more from promo codes and other bonuses Enably offers. Number 11, GrabPoint. GrabPoint is a free app launched in 2014 and allows users to earn points for activities such as taking surveys and watching videos. GrabPoints has many positive reviews both on its website and on Trustpilot. When you watch videos on GrabPoints, you will earn points. You can choose from a variety of channels, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. GrabPoints will show you how many points you will earn and how many videos you will need to watch to earn rewards. Once you have 3,000 points, you'll be able to get PayPal cash or free gift cards to popular retailers. Because there is a low threshold for redemption and you will be able to get your payout in 48 hours after requesting it, GrabPoints is one of the fastest ways to make money watching videos online. You can also earn extra points by referring your friends to the program. Number 12, iRazor. iRazor is a reward program founded in 2016 that rewards users for trying out apps, completing surveys and offers, playing games and watching videos. iRazor has more than 50 channels of video content to choose from. You will watch mostly ads, app trailers, movie trailers, short films, movie reviews and cooking tutorials. Once you get 3,000 points, you will be able to redeem them from a $5 gift card or $5 in PayPal cash. After you've chosen your reward, you will have 30 days to use it before it expires. iRazor has mixed reviews on Trustpilot, with some users reporting a favorable experience and others citing issues redeeming their points. Although it's worth trying out, it may not be as lucrative as others on this list. Number 13, Viggle. Launched in 2012, Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that allows users to earn rewards for watching TV shows and listening to music. The app has more than 7 million users who have redeemed up to $90 million in rewards. Viggle lets you earn points from watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming platforms and live TV just by checking in with the Viggle app. Users get a point per minute for watching shows or listening to music through the Viggle app plus any bonuses. You'll be able to redeem your points for PayPal cash, a prepaid debit card, or free gift cards to more than 200 retailers. Keep in mind that reviews on Google Play are mixed, with many users citing glitches, but Viggle is a legitimate app that may be worth trying out. Number 14, WeEight. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact, WeEight could be the app for you. Like some of the others on this list, WeEight is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos, but it has slight differences. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ads on this platform, you are asked to answer a few quick questions and you can earn around 10 points per video. There are 3 ways that you can have the money paid out. It could be paid into your PayPal account. It could auto pay your EE mobile bill, or you could be paid to a charity of your choice. An added bonus is that each time you watch a video on the app, brands make charity donations too. Number 15, SuccessBox. SuccessBox boasts over 170,000 members who get paid to watch ads online. You can also earn money by listening to the radio, answering surveys and referring friends. The minimum payout is $1 and there is no limit to how much you can earn. You can receive your money through PayPal or another payment processor. It's a great option if you're a beginner to earning money online because it offers an intuitive, hassle-free platform. 16, AdWallet. AdWallet asks users to watch videos and reward them for their efforts. After signing up, it sends you a text telling you to log into your account to watch a hand-picked short ad or video. You can earn more by taking short surveys and answering questions. Each video is worth between $0.5 and $3. When you reach $10, you can cash out via PayPal, e-gift cards, bank transfer, or charitable donation. You can also earn an extra $1 per person you refer. Number 17, Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is another rewards website that makes money from advertisers and shares some of the profit with its users. You can get paid to complete surveys and search the web, earn cash back for shopping, and get rewarded for watching videos and listening to the radio. Once you have up to $25 in your Fusion Cash account, you will be able to cash out via PayPal account, direct deposit, or check. There are no fees to access your money. In addition to the extra cash you will earn from watching videos, you can earn a $5 sign-up bonus and $1 to $5 referral bonuses for each friend you sign up. Fusion Cash has only a handful of mixed reviews on Trustpilot, and users say it is not the quickest way to make money, but it is worth trying. It is very simple to just watch videos and earn money. You just need to be careful and not trust any fraudulent website. Earning online can be an additional source of income. In addition to this, there are even better ways to earn online. For example, if you want to start a profitable online business with absolutely no capital that can earn you hundreds and thousands of dollars, I recommend recommend you watch this video next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, for it will help me a lot to keep making these videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.